So tired of manually clicking create invoice every single day? What if your system could just handle it for you? That's the magic of scheduling your billing creation. Instead of a manual task, you can set up your system like SAP to automatically generate bills based on a schedule you define. Think of the time saved, think of the reduced stress, think of the consistent, timely billing. It's all about automatic those repetitive tasks so your team can focus on what really matters, like growing the business. If you are still stuck in manual billing mode, it's time to explore automation. Your future self and your finance team will thank you for that. I will add an item to my sales order to show you how to proceed. So, for example, I add a services into a sales order that I want to bill automatically. So, I take, for example, I change like this, and I would like to see the sales order 212 that I created this morning. So, I go in the detailed, I click on edit, and items SM0001 for example, to 1 hour. Click on enter, and I will define the prices at um, 5 euro. So I would like to schedule automatically that all the sales orders for this kind of materials are being automatically every day. So for that, log on to the ACP Fiori Launchpad as a billing clerk, like this. The ACP Fiori Launchpad display, and then activate the app, open schedule billing creation, schedule billing creation. So you can also call the application job automatically. So the application job display, the app should be started with the history of application job. So during billing creation, I click on go to display if I've got some job create. That is not the case. So for that, it's very simple. Create billing creation schedule. For that, choose new to define a new job for billing creation. The new job screen displays. Job template should default as a schedule billing creation. So I click on create. Okay, by default, schedule billing creation. Um, Job parameters define scheduling option and parameters section for batch job if necessary. Then choose check the system displays choose all the parameters. So before that, all the most important detail. Sorry, at each time I realize a guide, a tutorial that I will publish to explain all these things. I click on the step 2, and then in the step 2 I defined the parameters. If I want to define a um, rigorous recurrence pattern, sorry, so it's a morning. I click on define, and I am able to define if I want um, for example, that is a daily. like this. Daily, okay, I can define a restriction, for example, don't run on the non-working day. And I click on OK. I can define also job start at, for example, all the night at 10 p.m. Okay, and if everything is okay, I click on the step 3. On the step 3, I defined all the required information. For example, I would like that the relative billing date, the system take account all the invoice in the previous one day or two, or previous 30 days. Then I can define also only for the KPC1, for the Z1. Uh, no, for example, I would like only for sales document. So I define all the required parameters that I want to have. If I want that by default, that is a posting block. Okay, I don't want that the system create automatically the accounting document. I want, for example, to release manually automatically after the day after. So you define all that you want. And then you click on check to be sure that everything is okay. You have a message that everything say you, SAP say you. Okay, I show you again. Go ahead. You're able to go ahead. Okay, it's good for me. And then to that, choose schedule. Okay, I'm agree. I'm schedule. Billing creation job is scheduled. Screen back to the application job. Okay, that is in progress. I click on go to refresh my screen. Okay, I see that there is a log. Okay, check billing creation job log. In screen application job, after statue of job item turn to finish, choose the job log. So I just have to click on show you again on log, and I see very important the detail. Stem tell me that the document has been saved and no journal entry. Remember, because I defined that posting block. So if I want to display this document, I just have to copy paste, okay, and remember how to proceed. I go to the manage billing document. I can call that, but with Fiori, that is really user experiences. Most used or recently used. Recently used, you see all the application that I've used previously. Very, very interesting. So I would like to display this document like this and click on go, and I display to be posted, so I'm able to display this. And if I remember, I created a new item in the 212. I see the process flow, and I see that is for the standard order 212. And do you think it's beautiful solution? Yes, I think so. So thank you so much, and see you later in the next video.